Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RT again with another video. This video is from a long time ago, actually from last year, August 2020, which I bought and ordered the Ikon motorsports front Hellcat front bumper and a wide body kit. And here I'm just basically unboxing and showing all the parts that I ordered. As you can see, it comes with all that you need. It comes with the flares, the Hellcat front bumper, and all the parts like the grills, the splitter, etc. Everything that you need to assemble this. And I already installed this, painted and installed it, but I haven't had a chance to do any videos until now, so I'm just gonna walk you through what it comes and kind of review the quality of this product. It's actually nice. It looks nice once you paint it to match your color. It looks almost like OEM. There's some small little details, but it's the most accurate bumper I ever seen. I mean, for an aftermarket, it's very good quality bumper. Here I put it kind of together with the little splitter, with the Hellcat splitter and all that, just to see how good it looked. And it actually starts to get shape once you stand it on its own and put it together. It looks pretty nice. There's the slot for the sign markers. Also, the kit comes with an additional box that includes all the wide body parts, like the flares and accessories that you need with it to install it. Here are the sign markers I was talking about, that you're gonna need to complete the look. And here are the side pieces where they go. We'll show you later, guys, how this kit goes together and review it. For right now, I'm gonna finish up showing you the bumper. Here are the other pieces: the lower grill, some screws that come with it, little grills on the sides, the bezels for the lights and the closeouts. Pretty much comes with everything that you need to do the install. What I would recommend is to get a lot of rivets, those plastic rivets. Get some zip ties and a rivet gun or rivet tool. Yeah, you just kind of like push it in place. Just be careful with all the brackets and tabs that comes with it. The grill and the reinforcement piece that holds the grill and the bezels together, it's pretty strong. I mean, it's very strong plastic, so you should not have any problem with any of the tabs except the bezels. The bezels, I would say, just be careful with those, because they have those tabs on the bezels are kind of like flimsy and they can break. They're very thin, so they can break pretty easy. So just be careful with those. Other than that, the way those tabs are made and put together are very strong enough, so you should not have a problem installing the grill. So you might need a little bit of force to push the grill in. Once in, it's very tough to get the grill out, so don't even try. Once you put it in, just leave it there, and it should fit fine. And the bezels, is not, they fit right on. It's just that one of the tabs came a little bit bended right there, the one in the middle. That one broke, but it's not a big deal because it holds with the other two. There's like a side bracket that holds to the grill, so you should not have any problem either. This is the splitter, along with that little piece, kind of like the underbody extension piece that goes with it. And make sure you get a lot of rivets for that and match the holes with that kind of like extension, kind of like an underbody piece. And yeah, that's very lightweight plastic. It's not very sturdy or anything, but it just helps to just fill in the gap under the body between the lights and the grill. That's it for now, guys. Next video I'll show you the painted piece and all assembled together, along with the installation. If you like this kind of videos, just let me know. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and please support the channel. And thank you, guys. I hope to see you next time, and take care.